I was very productive this morning and did some living room cleaning, so I'm going to give you guys a little tour of it today. If this is your first time on my page, welcome. My name's Camille and I've lived here in LA for about 10 years now. This is so crazy, but this is the 12th apartment that I have lived in, I know. In my earlier years here, I was hopping around from roommate to roommate in 3-month leases. I'm just so happy to be settled down in a long-term spot now. So as I'm sure you can tell, I have a fairly large living room. The three main things that really sold me on this place were the large stained glass window, the fireplace, and the crown molding. Right when you walk in the door, you're greeted by the sight of my vintage IKEA shelf and usually Sinatra sitting right here. I have a lot of items of sentimental value displayed on the shelf. A lot of the art pieces were made by my grandfather. He passed away last year and I think he would have loved to see these on display in here. A large majority of the things in my space are thrifted or secondhand of some sort. I have a ton of vintage lighting in my collection, including this Modeline floor lamp, 90s David Chris Martini lamp, the ever so sought after 80s Peter Bliss tulip lamp. This will forever be one of my favorites. It's a giant seashell with a pearl light in the inside. And I believe this might be a Robert Sonneman. I got it for only $15. Now for the comfiest couch in the entire world, it's by Sixpenny and it is like a dream to sit on. Just a note though, slightly high maintenance for fluffing the pillows so they look nice. I thrifted this coffee table 2 weeks ago for $29.99 and I think this is one of my best finds in a while. The cats really love when we stick their beds underneath it for the night. I hear a lot of interior designers talk about how putting your TV over the fireplace mantle is tacky, but in this case I feel like it's the only place it goes and I really don't mind it with the frame TV. All the cords I kind of just hide away behind this fake ivy plant. I also tried to create sort of a gallery wall around the TV to blend it in even more, and most of these prints I got at either flea markets or thrift stores. This is my current work in progress corner. It doesn't have a lot going on. Hopefully that will change soon. Let me know in the comments if there was anything I missed talking about that you would like me to elaborate on. Transitioning back to making YouTube videos and horizontal content in general has been such a transition for me, and I think it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve at first, but hopefully my content continues to improve on here, and thanks for watching.